Hi, welcome to Baker's Corner with Lomash, episode 1. And today we'll be talking about cake tools needed as a beginner. So, I'm going to be listing and showing you guys some important cake tools you need as a beginner. But let's state that the first thing you need is knowledge. You need to get the skill as a baker, either by attending physical or online baking classes. The first thing you need obviously will be either your oven or your gas for your baking. Maybe your local gas oven, or if you can't afford the oven, you can get pots and use in your baking. After that, you will be needing your cake pan. This is your cake pan. It comes in different sizes, so you'll be needing your cake pans. You'll be needing your sieve for sifting your flour. Um, and You need your hand mixer. Comes with the mixing end. You'll be needing your hand mixer, whether stand or hand. You need them as a starter. You also need your spatula for decorating. You will be needing your scraper. This is for scraping your batter or your buttercream or whatever, and this is for your brush, applying buttercream on your pan when you want to transfer your batter. You need this for rolling. This is not candle, this is not for play. For rolling out your fondant or pastry dough or whatever. Then this is your serrated knife for trimming your cakes. Yes, your cutter knife. This is a must have. Without this, you cannot measure. So you need your measuring cup and your measuring spoons. You can also have it in a cheaper option if you can't afford the big one. You need your pizza cutter for cutting out your fondant, for cutting out your dough, whatever need be. You need your decorating scrapers, and that's for designing or giving lines on your buttercream cakes. You also need this scraper too for also scraping out excesses. You cannot do without this, except you are going to the traditional method of measuring. This is your electronic kitchen scale. They come in different forms, so you'll either buy this or the um scale. There's also the manual. If you are not taught to use this digital scale, you can also use the cup measurement. But that's, my friend, who wants to go through all that. You also need your cake wrap for cooling your cakes. You'll be needing your smoothness. This is for your fondants. Also, you'll be needing your turntable. This is a workforce you need to place your cakes and work on it. It helps make your cake go round easy while working on them. And as a beginner, you need dummy. Dummy helps you to practice time to time. If you don't have clients demanding for cakes, this is very, very important. Look at it. This is how it goes while you work on your cake. So you need it, and then you need your steamer. Steamer is for taking out icing, sugar, or anything that is stick on your cake during when you are done making your cakes. So these are the few things you need. You also need your hand. You also need your hand glove for bringing out your cake from the oven, your towel, and many more. But these are the few essential basics you need. So, see you in episode 2. Remember to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye.